Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, let me teach you how can you see your block list on your Facebook account. So without further ado, let's get right onto it. So first things first guys, make sure on your Play Store or App Store that the Facebook app is updated to the latest version. As you can see here, I have it updated to the latest version. If not guys, you just have to update it and just press the green button, update, if it is not updated. So let's just open this guys. So over here, you just have to go over to your hamburger icon or your profile in the upper right corner. And just go over to settings and privacy here. Go over to settings here. And go over until you see blocking here. So okay, as you can see here, these are all the people that you have blocked or your block list here. So you just have to take note of this guys. And to be able to use this block list, you can actually unblock people here. So just press the unblock button here, and keep in mind that if you want to unblock them here, you have 48 hours until you can reblock them again. So that's just it. So you can proceed to unblock them if you want. And if you want to add people to this block list, you just have to click the plus icon here or tap on this one and just type a name that you want to add to this list. So there, for example, you want to block this one, just press this button right here and just proceed to block the user here and the text here that says block. So okay guys, that's how you can see your block list on your Facebook account. So okay guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.